Alright, so I don't know, do I need the flash on? Not available while using ultra wide lens. So anyway, we it says he used 2-gauge wire on this, but I watched the installation video and they were using, I don't even know how the hell I would ever fit 2-gauge through here on this thing. Like, I'll show you in a second. Battery negative, battery positive. This is 6 or 4, I think. I can't remember. It's just some crap I bought from Santan Solar. They would sell you like 5 feet of wire. And I had used this exact stuff for a long time in my HV LV. But like, this barely fits through here. Like, I'm having trouble getting it to go in there. I don't know how in the hell do they think you're gonna put 2-gauge wire through here. I mean, 2-gauge is pretty big. So let's see, with the included screws, it should be around here someplace. I should figure out where they went. Right up here. Okay. They gave you these. They're kind of nice, I guess. But I don't know. That doesn't really quite look like 2-gauge. It's a little bit smaller. But in the video, they're using wires that look like this 6-gauge, and I don't think this thing is going to pull more than 100 amps. So, well, I don't know why I would need 2-gauge, but at 12 volts, yes. 24, no. These are so small, I don't think I can attach them. And if I look at the terminals in my inverter stuff, it's probably also too big. So I might have to make some special things. These screws are not very long either. I'll get into my washer stash over here. See what I have. Don't really have anything. It looks like it's going to be great. Yeah, I might already have a problem with this. Or is all this crap great? Here's one. This isn't going to work real well. The problem is, where the hell? Why am I not seeing it? Okay, there we go. So, we're not going to make very good contact with that. Another thing too is that I want to pull this funky plastic thing out of here. I'm pretty sure let's see here. If I can get in here. There. Now, I have no idea. Let me get the rest of this come loose without somehow getting in here with a very skinny screwdriver like this one. know, it seems like I don't know. I can't really. This is very difficult because I need to get to the bottom of this. And I think the only thing I'm going to get it out with is a hook. So let's find a hook. I don't know what they're thinking when they make these. Let's try and pop the bottom first, maybe. I guess not. Okay. God dang. This is not. There we go. Almost. I mean, if you're going to run 2-gauge wire, you're going to need to pull this thing out of here. It's not. This isn't going to work for 2-gauge wire. We needed to drill all that crap out. So anyway, I rather than booger this up, just have that there, and then maybe to figure out my terminals. But with my current system, I'm gonna need to piggyback off of the battery anyways. So as far as hooking up this battery, it needs to get charged. Right now I'm charging my lead acid batteries over here that have shunts on them, and because I'm probably going to put those up for a while, I'll be using this. So anyway, I got to get something hooked up to this just to see if it even works. So